Embracing minimalism is a journey of intentional living that offers a myriad of benefits for those seeking a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Here are 12 compelling reasons to consider a minimalist lifestyle. Mental clarity and reduced stress. Clutter, both physical and mental, can be a significant source of stress and anxiety. By decluttering our surroundings and possessions, we create a sense of calm and focus, allowing us to better manage our thoughts and emotions. Financial freedom. Minimalism encourages conscious spending and a focus on experiences over material possessions. This can lead to significant savings, reducing debt, and providing the financial flexibility to pursue passions and goals. Time and productivity. When we own less, we spend less time managing and maintaining our belongings. This frees up valuable time for activities we truly enjoy, whether it's pursuing hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or simply relaxing and recharging. Environmental sustainability, consumerism, and excessive waste contribute to environmental degradation. By embracing minimalism, we can reduce our consumption, choose sustainable products, and minimize our impact on the planet. Appreciation for the essentials. When we own less, we learn to appreciate the true value of the things we do have. We become more mindful of what truly matters and less likely to be swayed by fleeting desires. Enhanced creativity and focus. A cluttered environment can be a distraction and hinder creativity. By decluttering our physical and mental space, we create room for inspiration and productivity, allowing us to tap into our creative potential. Greater sense of purpose. Minimalism encourages us to question our values and prioritize what truly matters. This can lead to a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in life, as we focus on experiences and relationships that enrich our lives. Improve physical and mental well-being. Studies have shown that living in a cluttered environment can negatively impact our physical and mental health. By decluttering and creating a more peaceful living space, we can improve our sleep, reduce stress levels, and boost our overall well-being. Freedom and flexibility. When we own less, we have fewer material possessions to tie us down. This can lead to greater freedom and flexibility in our lives, whether it's the ability to travel, relocate, or pursue new opportunities. Enhanced self-awareness. Minimalism is a journey of self-discovery and introspection. By examining our possessions and habits, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our values, and what truly brings us joy. Gratitude and appreciation. Minimalism fosters a mindset of gratitude and appreciation for the simple things in life. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we can cultivate a sense of contentment and joy. A more meaningful life. Ultimately, minimalism is about living a life that is focused on what truly matters. By decluttering our lives and prioritizing experiences over possessions, we can create a more meaningful and fulfilling existence. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your finances, or simply live a more intentional life, minimalism offers a wealth of benefits. By embracing this philosophy, you can discover a world of freedom, simplicity, and fulfillment.